Hey all, this is Bart from Picmonic, here to talk to you about our brand new Anki add-on, ready and available now. Now this add-on is 100% free with no account required. Using it gives you access to over 1,600 Picmonics and 16,000 facts. It works by detecting keywords and is compatible with any and all Anki decks you might already have. Installing this add-on is a breeze. Just start out at the Picmonic Anki page here, and click download the free add-on. This will bring you to Anki Web, and at the very bottom of the page you'll see a code. Copy that, then navigate to Anki. Click Tools, Add-ons, Get Add-ons, and then paste your code here. Just restart Anki and your add-on's been installed successfully. After installation, any keywords detected by this add-on will be highlighted in blue. For example, in this card here, we have atrial fibrillation, furosemide, digoxin, and warfarin, all of which are available to look at. All the most important facts are available right here. And it even works inside of your closed deletions. Simply click on the play button to bring yourself right to the Picmonic page with the associated fact. Now anyone will tell you, Anki is an incredibly powerful flashcard program. However, one of its key pitfalls is the propensity for students to learn facts in isolation, to fail to make key integrations that mean loss of points on their step exams. Use this add-on in order to learn topics holistically, to learn the topic all at once instead of one piece at a time. Now remember, no account required and 100% free. Download it today.